Hi guys, marhaba. The letter I will be talking about in this video is very important. It's called Hamza and it looks like this. But what I want to focus on is how you pronounce it and how you present it in a word or type it. For how to present it, the easiest way and most common is using an apostrophe. Now, to really understand the Levantine dialect and its relation to the use of Hamza, I need to first talk about the letter Qaf or Qa. Think of it like this. Qa is used in Fusha dialect, but with the Levantine, the Qa is replaced with Hamza. Most of the time, but not always. For example, you have the word qamis, which means shirt, and qamar, which means moon. Those are Fusha, and no one uses them within the Levantine region. Now, for the pronunciation of Hamza, I will be sharing some examples, but before I do that, I want to talk about the glottal stop. I highly recommend you read more about it, but if I want to explain it in simple terms, it's the interruption of the airflow when you're speaking. The best example I found is when you say, uh-oh, uh-oh. You will notice the pause in air going out from the vocal cords. Uh-oh. That's what Hamza sounds like. But also keep in mind that the Hamza sound will differ depending on the word. So we have the A, E, O. Those are the three sounds of Hamza you will come across. But all of them are Hamza. Let's take the word up as an example. Up in Arabic is fawq, but that's Fusha. Little to none say fawq. The way you say it is fawq in the Levantine dialect. Let's try and simplify it. Take the number 4, but change the R to Hamza. 4, 4. 4, 4. If you get lost at any point, always remember the glottal stop, which is uh-oh, uh-oh. Another example which we talked about earlier is shirt, qamis. But now replace the qa, as I said, with Hamza, and it will be amis, amis. Another example is moon, qamar, qamar. Again, replace the qa with Hamza, amar, amar. We also have the word market, suq. Now switch the qa with Hamza. It will be su, su. The letter qa in Levantine dialect is barely pronounced. Keep in mind that this is the dialect I'm teaching you. Let's do one last example. Box. In Fusha, it's sanduq. But as I said, the qa letter is tougher to pronounce, so we change it to Hamza. Also easier on the throat. So instead of sanduq, we say sanduq. Sandu. It's easier to say and still understandable in all Arab countries, with no exceptions. To recap, Hamza uses the glottal stop method, such as uh-oh. That's the sound of Hamza. The letter qa is barely used in the Levantine region, so most of the time, qa is replaced with Hamza. But not always. There are some words that still require you to say the letter qa. But trust me, with practice and the more Arabic words you are exposed to, this will be like a walk in the park. I really hope this video helped you understand. If not, please write me, text me, comment, do anything. Just don't be afraid to ask. I will do what I can to help you out.